today I'm going to show you inverted bicycle. This is not typically something you would see in a yoga book, but it is a great pose to help you master your shoulder stand and plow. It also will give you the confidence to help you learn to do headstands. So this pose is an inversion, and there's a few things that you want to avoid in all inversions, okay? This even includes partial inversions. If you have any back pain injuries, spinal injuries, then you do not want to work on any inversions. If you have high blood pressure, you want to avoid this pose. If you have migraines, and then for women, if you are pregnant or menstruating, you want to make sure you avoid this pose, okay? Inversions are great for increasing our immunity. They're extremely energizing, and they really increase the circulation to our brains. So we're going to have a lot better mental clarity. We're going to get rid of any fogginess by getting more blood and oxygen to the brain. Okay, it's also going to improve your balance and control and increase our core strength. It takes a lot of core strength and concentration to get these poses down. Okay, let's get started. We're going to come onto our backs. I highly recommend this pose as you are learning your shoulder stand and as you're working on plow. So hopefully you will add inverted bicycle to your practice. All right, we're going to come down into corpse pose. Really work on getting our foundation, pulling in through the belly, up through the pelvic floor, getting everything knitted nice and tight. We're also going to make sure that we are knitting or gripping our thighs. So we're wanting to engage our thighs. Okay, so our whole body is tensed up. We want to like tense our body. All right, we're going to come on up, bring our knees up, and we're going to come up, supporting our back with our hands. And we're wanting to try to get our feet as vertical as possible. And then we're going to just bring one leg and take our knee to our forehead. We're going to hold this pose 3 to 5 breaths. Straighten. And go ahead and bring down the other side. Coming back on up. Now to get out of the pose, it's very important that you bring your knees down and then slowly round on up. Okay? So, main thing is make sure you don't do this pose if you have any of those contraindications, and practice safely as always. I hope you will add inverted bicycle to your yoga practice and to your exercise program that you're doing at home. All right, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help my channel grow. Have a great day.